Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new in here, my name is Daria. I am an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin and his name is Brett. And guys, in this video I will show you how to create X-ray t-shirt. And this design was inspired by makeup artists. First, I watched video of Nikki tutorials in which she painted one side of her face as it is under the X-ray light. And then I saw dozens of other makeup artists on Instagram creating the same makeup look. And I was like, it can be a great design for a t-shirt. And on a t-shirt you should paint ribcage. But to paint just ribcage would be boring. And you know that I love designs with some idea. And I was thinking, what can I paint more inside of our body? And then this idea came to my mind. Do you know this feeling when you are in love? And there are like butterflies in your stomach flying. So what if you really have butterflies in our stomach? Let's paint them! This design will be very interesting and very creative, and I'll show you step by step how to make it. And for painting you need black t-shirt, fabric paints, video about paints I use you can find in description below, and brushes. So let's get started! And now guys, I will paint freehand on a t-shirt. And you will say now, it's supposed to be a DIY video. It is a DIY video, but I'm just skipping one step which you will make, and you will take piece of paper and pencil and you will paint design on the paper first. You will paint rib cage, and of course painting should be bigger size as a real rib cage. And then you need carbon paper. I have just black color, but you need white color carbon paper for black t-shirt. And you will transfer painting on a t-shirt. Why I'm skipping this step? Because I can paint design on a t-shirt in 5 minutes. And I don't want to spend 20 minutes on transferring. And I think that you can make this step without me showing how to do it. So, let's paint! And here are the colors I will use to create X-ray color. I will mix white, blue and small amount of green. And now just imagine that I already transferred design to a t-shirt and I outline these lines with paint. And information for all my new viewers, you don't need mannequin to paint, you can paint on a table. Just don't forget to put cardboard between front and back side of your t-shirt. And now I will put 2 or 3 layers of paint to the corners of rib cage, because the corners have intense color on the X-ray images. And to the other parts of the ribs I put just 1 layer of paint, because they don't have intense color. Just edges of ribs should be intense, so I outline them. And I put 1 more layer of paint to the corners of rib cage. And I paint central part of rib cage, and it also has intense color, so I will put 2 or 3 layers of paint on it. And in the same way I paint other side of rib cage. And now I paint vertebrae more detailed because they have kind of a pattern on X-ray images, but it's not necessary step. I'm just trying to make it more realistic. And now I will use a big flat brush to create shine around the rib cage, and I will make brush strokes this way. And first I will dip brush into the paint, and then I will wipe my brush on some cloth to remove excess of paint, and it's very important to do for the technique. And then I make brush strokes. And now I will paint butterflies, and you can also first paint butterflies on paper and then transfer these butterflies to a t-shirt. And now I put paint just to the edges of butterfly wings and to the body of it. And now I will make brush strokes near the butterflies to create flying effect. And now I will use hard brush. You can use toothbrush as well for splattering, and I will splatter paint on a t-shirt. And finishing touches, a couple of brush strokes and paint splatters to the ribcage. And painting is finished! This t-shirt is so cool and so interesting. If I will wear it outside, I will get all the attention. So if you don't like attention, you shouldn't create such t-shirt. But if you like, you should definitely create it. So guys, smash this like button if you like this video and share this video with your friends who you think need such t-shirt in their lives. And if you are new in here, subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. And I hope to see you on the next Fashion is art. Bye bye.